You're about to get tickets again.
Yeah. Alright guys, this is insane. Oh. You good?
I'm good. Hold on.
Watch your head, watch your head.
Freaking head hurts.
What's up guys?
What's up, y'all?
So we have a late start to our video today, for good reason. We're going to be heading over to my mom's house to install headers and then getting a tune as well.
And well, our mom's not installing the header of the tune, but there's a shop nearby that we're heading out to, and we figured that I think the appointments are early in the morning, so it's a lot better than like trying to leave from where we're at, 'cause it's about an hour away and there's like, California traffic. Decided to sleep over, hang out with my mom and our dog Levi, and we'll catch y'all in the morning. All right. Time for a little adventure with my head hurting.
Good boy.
Morning guys, it's time to go to the exhaust shop.
I'm gonna get some much needed sound of the Corvette.
Yeah. Alright guys, just double checking if we have everything. So we got the headers here. These ones are from Speed Engineering. I like the best budget option that we can get. Went with those. Have that. Back here with Andre, got the X-pipe, bunch of extra new plugs, new extensions, stuff like that. But yeah, let's go get them put in.
Alright. Aldo's Performance, here we come. Alright y'all, we made it. Nice and safe. Headers time, then tune today. It's gonna be so fun. What's the plan, sir?
Headers time.
Are we just waiting on them?
Yeah, I
Okay.
gotta see where the shop is.
Okay. Alright guys, we dropped off the car to the shop, getting the headers installed now.
Just a few hour wait. I think it's like 2-3 hours, but the header's installed. Like I said before, it had that missing bolt, so that might cause a problem and make it a little longer. And then we'll get the tune set up in a little bit. It's gonna be a whole different car. Excited to hear how it sounds. That's the biggest one.
Sound of freedom, for sure.
Yeah, the
Get
bald
that V8.
eagles.
Get the V8 going. We'll be back in a couple hours.
2 hours later.
And we're back.
All right, so the headers are in the car. We're gonna go check it out in a bit, finishing up some stuff. The tune is on the way as well, which is awesome. Got whole new spark plugs, which is definitely gonna help with the tune, make sure everything runs right.
Yeah, literally after the tune and new spark plugs, the car's gonna feel so different and crazy.
Let's go check it out. Let's go.
New headers install. Here we go, first listen. Woo. Jeez. So much better. Yep. Oh, that sounds freaking crazy. Woo. Jeez. That's loud. You're about to get tickets again.
Sounds like if I have a cam.
Yeah.
Well, yeah.
That sounds insane.
Tune time?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I did. Sounds freaking crazy. Rev it real quick. Jeez. That sounds so wild. Yeah, it smells so rich.
Heard the headers, sounds amazing.
So loud.
And you know, everything that comes with the car has to be a tune. Any mod that you do, especially exhaust, intake, stuff like that, has to come with a tune to get the most power. We're over here. They just took the car right now for the street tune. They'll be back in about an hour. Car sounds amazing.
Sounds amazing.
Sounds amazing. And now just getting the
can't wait for
tune.
So here we go.
Can't wait to see how fast it is.
1 hour later.
All right. First drive. Post tune, guys. Here we go. I'm a little nervous. Oh, it's empty, Gerard.
One sec.
Oh man. Oh, jeez.
That's a lot. That
Jeez.
feels crazy. I'm like scared still.
I know. I'm scared too. Dude, the pops are nuts.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's mean.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh man. Jeez. Oh gosh.
Oh man.
Goodness.
Alright guys, this is insane.
It's a fast
It's a
car.
whole different car.
Whole new car.
Alright, what's up guys? Hope you guys enjoyed everything that we had today.
It's a long day. We started, I think we woke up at 6:30, but it was worth it.
Yeah.
And lots of fun.
Got the car running right with the headers. Sounds amazing, as you guys have heard. And it's been an action-packed day.
Yep, so catch us in the next video next weekend. We got something up our sleeves, and hopefully some of our friends can join us, and it'll be a lot of fun.
Yep.
Thanks for watching our
Thanks
videos,
for watching,
y'all.
guys. See
Peace
ya.
out.